Good evening. Good evening. This is Praveen. I'm an agriculture and food engineer from IIT Kharagpur. Today we are going to discuss how to grow ginger and most important, why to grow. Right. So the ginger which you buy from market has lot of pesticide chemical mix. You never know who has touched it also. It may have deadly viruses, bacteria, pathogens. So you don't want to import diseases to your home, and this is it has you as of now you haven't grown it, so this saves your life. So you need to have it, but it will give you cancer and a lot of diseases, so eventually you have to start growing it. Plus, do you know that you could even eat the shoots? You can even eat this is used as the herbs as well, and this is a miracle food. It can save your life. It boosts your immune system, just like the ginger. You can even eat the leaf of this ginger. This you can't get in the market. It has to be grown fresh like this. So let's see how do we grow this, right? One easy way is you got ginger from market, right? So you can take neem. Neem is a natural thing. Like you can take this. You can just take a neem leaf. Like, see, neem leaf. Put it in bag of neem leaf. That's all you need to do. And like this. That's all. That's all it takes. So after 2 to 3 weeks, what will happen is, so it will basically start. It will become like this. Then you see, the reason you do this is, if you directly plant in the pot, it will get spoiled, and it may not grow also. It may sometimes overwater it. This doesn't require any water, absolutely. So you can see them, right? I can show you. Now once you have that, you have to cut it out. You can see this guy. You can cut it out. So you have to cut it like this. So I'll show you how we have cut it here. See, like this, and you have to cut it and leave it for a day or two, so it becomes dry, so that it doesn't get doesn't get spoiled or get bacterial infection. So you have to cut it out, and once you have cut it out, you can just plant it at any place. Like its planting is very easy. You take a pot. Take a pot, put the cut pieces in there, and that's it, done. You have to make sure that the leaf is up position, so that it can get, because it's now eagerly waiting for the sunlight. So I'll show you another one. See the roots, how it is coming out, and this happens in 2 to 3 weeks only. Sometimes it takes a month, but when it's ready, when it's start making something like that, it start tearing your bag. That's all it takes, folks. It's so easy to own ginger. Why are you risking your life by eating outside food? The other way too, you can even grow in container like this. See, I've already planted it for you. And when you make a hole, make sure you don't make it at the bottom. You don't need to put another container like this, right? You just put it here so that this acts as a container, so that it never gets dry, right? So there's another way. What you can do, so instead of putting there, you can just put it in you can take a soil like this. You can put it anywhere, soil like this, and cover it up. That's all. So once you done this, like you have covered the ginger, let's put another one. So you have space, you can put more of them also. See, ginger, put more soil, and you have to use just not too dry soil, not too wet soil. You see the consistency of the soil? That's all. You can even use a dry soil, okay? So there you go. So after 2 to 3 weeks, when the shoots start coming like this, right? That's the clue that it has started germinating. Like see this guy, the shoots have started coming. You basically take it out like this and you plant it back. That's all it takes, folks. And now the reason you do this separately, because now you can spread it out. The other way, if you're lazy, you can just directly plant 2 or 3 in a pot and hope that it'll come. This way you save a lot of ginger. You can reuse a lot of the gingers back which has come out. So this hasn't come fully, so what I will do is I will put it back so you can see, right? So I'll put it back here. You can see, if you put in a transparent, you can actually see like it's not coming out. You can actually take out and see why it is not coming out. It's a lot easier to check if it is in the plastic one. See what happened. See? So what you have to do is that was not ready, so you can put it back in. So this is not ready, so I'll put it back in here. So you need to fully cover in the mud, because obviously this is probably getting rotten, you can see. So you have to put it back in the mud like this and just cover with, I do keep mud extra like this. Okay, so you have to fully cover it, and that's it. That's all it takes. After few weeks, shoots will start coming out. You then plant in a bigger pot. The ginger needs a deep. It needs something to grow. So you need to give them space. You can't. It will not grow in this one. So like many other vegetables will grow in this small container, but not ginger. Ginger needs something like this. Best is this kind of container. See, because the roots are really deep for ginger. So I hope you understand. I know it's a lot of hard work, but is it really? Like it took less than 1 or 2 minutes to start doing, and we told you the techniques how we can use to increase the chances of its germination. This technique can save you approximately, like suppose it can save you 1 to 2 months of time. If you are a farmer or grower, this will save you a lot of time and money, and obviously you can maximize your crop. This is a paid video. Please make sure to make your contribution. It costs £10. The account detail will be mentioned below. We do sell, we have a farm in we are based in Bracknell, if you know UK. So you can order the shoots, you can order ginger, whatever you feel like. So ginger, I will suggest you just buy from the market, because we have just planted it. But any kind of food you need, you can just order from us, or best, we are good in supplying you the seeds, the plants, the pots and other stuff. I hope you understand. It's a matter of life and death. This disease is a very, very serious disease, and plus you are getting lifelong free supply of ginger right at your home. Suppose you lack, you don't have space, that much space, because obviously you need to, if you see my food, and this is part of nature, food and nature therapy. If you see that it has approximately 100, you can't really grow that much, right? So we do rent land spaces. Just comment for more details. Thank you. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Hello, you're still there? Bye.